independent value will not be imported. So we assume in this task we were not using a time attendant value and we will not import from our Excel sheet. So the quantity of overtime for respective employee we will enter by using ad hoc payroll item before we process again our payroll. So first, please go to payroll and select payroll management ad hoc payroll item. So we will set the ad hoc payroll item of overtime for both employee, which is Cindy Lauder and Tom Cruise. So we start with Cindy Lauder first. First, please untick Tom Cruise and select Cindy Lauder. Then still under the month of April, what we need to do here is we select overtime, then add new row. Payroll type we still choose month end and overtime. Overtime we select so the overtime we need to choose is 3 times hourly rate for hours. So we select monthly pay 3 times hourly rate, and for quantity we select is 2.5. So this quantity we have to manually enter how many hours that this Cindy Lauder have worked for the OT. So after you have done enter the quantity, then we have to check for pay also in the IS and pay tax. After that, you click on save. So once you're done, you click on Tom Cruise, but then you untick for Cindy Lauder. Then for Tom Cruise also under overtime, you click on add new row. Overtime we have to select is for rest day. So if you click on overtime for this Tom Cruise, you will see only public holiday or rest day. So which one we want to pay for the OT? So we want to pay OT for the Tom Cruise for working on rest day, and the quantity is 2 times 2.0 hours. So once you're done, you click on save. So we have done set for Cindy Lauder and also for Tom Cruise. So after we have done set in our ad hoc payroll item, then we have to go back to process payroll, and for this one we don't need to edit because this overtime is involved with a new employee. It didn't involve with IMM, so it involved with Tom Cruise and Cindy Lauder, and since we never process any payroll for these 2 employees, so we have to create a new payroll process. Then for the payroll type, we select is month end. For the month, we select is April. And for this one, we have to choose only for Tom Cruise and also for Cindy Lauder. Cindy Lauder is under purchasing while Tom Cruise is under SSM. So once you have done select the employee, you just click on process. You have to wait until new payroll created successfully. Just click on continue. So once we're done, you will see under summary, the Cindy Lauder purchasing executive has been paid salary 3,600 and Tom Cruise 6,000, and this is the net pay. Now we proceed to detail. So under this detail, you will see the overtime that have been paid to Cindy Lauder is 129.81 ringgit, and to Tom Cruise is 692 ringgit and 31 cent. As we don't set any rounding adjustment, as we don't set any rounding during we set the overtime group, so overtime will be remain on the actual amount. So if you click here, you will see the calculation on the overtime. So this is the calculation of the overtime, which is rest day, this is the rate and time with 2 hours. So this is the amount that Tom Cruise will receive for the overtime. So close this one and click on back. So we have done process the payroll for Cindy Lauder and also for Tom Cruise. To see the result on the